Minecraft is a video game. You can build, you can mine, and you can fight. It also has its own laws of physics that are not too dissimilar to our own world. So, I intend to solve for Minecraft's gravitational acceleration by utilizing only the game's most common projectile, a bow and arrow. In order to find out the gravity of Minecraft, we'll need to first get the initial velocity of a fully charged arrow. It should be noted that there is some level of air resistance in Minecraft, but for simplicity, I won't consider it in the calculation. Its arrow is small, aerodynamic, and this video is mainly for the purpose of demonstrating projectile motion anyway. When fired, the arrow starts with a certain instantaneous velocity vector. The horizontal and vertical velocity components here will be determined by the angle it's fired at. From there, the magnitude and direction of the velocity vector will be influenced by the y component alone due to acceleration by gravity. By firing at a 0-degree angle, perfectly horizontal, I ensure that all of the initial velocity is only in the x component. During its flight, the horizontal speed will remain constant, and by measuring the change in position over the change in time, we can use the equation delta x equals v naught x times time to obtain the initial velocity of 50.36 meters per second. Now for the y component. Because I now have the instantaneous velocity of the arrow when fully charged, this can be used to obtain the vertical acceleration due to gravity. By firing an arrow at exactly 90 degrees relative to the ground, so as to have no x velocity component this time, and using this kinematics equation, we will have the answer. The final y value, which is when the arrow reaches its apex, is 68.08 meters, and it took 2.55 seconds to reach there. The initial velocity is going to be the same as what the x velocity was when firing the arrow at a 0-degree angle. The y initial can be obtained by measuring the height at which the player avatar shoots the bow, which is 1.56 meters. With all the values filled into the equation, the gravitational acceleration can now be solved to bring us a value of 18.81 meters per second per second. According to the Minecraft wiki, the expected value we were looking for is an acceleration of 20 meters per second. When calculating the percent error, it comes out to 5.9%, which is an acceptable value. Thank you very much for watching.